Hello, welcome to another episode of Watercolor Instructions. My name is Sunil. I'm going to do this demonstration today. So this drawing, again, the topics I pick is for keeping beginners in mind. 2 to 3 colors. There's a little bit of yellow, green and blue with almost zero painting or drawing skill, sorry. So I'll go through how to do it, what to do it, and then share my tips and tricks in the video. A scenery scene. So horizon, and we got a little bit of trees, tree here, and the light source coming from that direction. So always you are trying to capture the light. Maybe I'm gonna add a couple of bulbs. We'll see how it goes. But very simple. So there's no drawing other than just showing for the sake of showing that those are the places what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna just mix it up a little bit. Maybe a little bit of lavender sky. So mop, something slightly big. We're trying to do quick. So I'm going to just clean that palette a little bit. So that we got a little bit of area to mix the lavender. Plenty of water in the palette, lavender. A little cerulean blue. Add a little water, and a little of olive green something. So a little bit of green. A little bit of green. Very simple. I might add a little blue. Just looks too weak. You want a stiff brush, or maybe a flat brush, or something a little stiff. Okay, in this one I'm going to mix plenty of green, a little bit of Alzarian. A little bit of pine, sort of a earthy color. Just check that's fine. We'll just take a little bit of water off from the tissue. shape. So I'm going to add a little bit of gray. Add a bit of a shadow, a little more dark. Water. I'm just tapping it on the tissue. Take some water. I just wanted a little more color. Just tap just on the side. I'm using the side of the brush. With a stiff brush, it's very easy to push the pigment inside. Okay. Use a little bit of yellow. Just change the variety of the cream. Okay, that's the tree. Now let's just add some branches. So I'm using a rigger, or in this case a Chinese calligraphy brush, or this one is a Japanese calligraphy brush. So pretty dark, a little bit of raw umber and gray. So start. Gray, and I'm going to add a few more branches. Okay, and the same continues to the side. last thing is I'm going to take a little bit of white, make sure there's a little more pigment. Shadow. That's the final thing. The last thing I'm going to do is add a little more. The green just in the background, so that kind of completes the painting. So a little more, just up front. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me just peel the mask page. Always a fun bit. A nice simple scenery. I hope you enjoyed this video. So you can see how I created a simple horizon, a little bit of shapes which creates the trees and branches and broken branches and a little bit of highlights to create something simple. So you could add a boat or you could add a person, make the painting a little more come alive. So these are building blocks. Once you learn how to do something like this, then you can add more elements to it and make the painting more interesting. I hope you enjoyed, and if you like more videos, hit subscribe, and there's a lot more videos you'll enjoy. Yep, thank you, bye.